Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I will tell you 8 reasons why you should buy the HTC 10 smartphone. First reason is its design. It flaunts its premium all-metal design with chamfered edges that makes it look very impressive. The rear of the phone has a slight curve for comfortable fit. It is a well-built and sturdy phone which looks very nice while holding in hand. Second reason is its display. The phone features a 5.2-inch Quad HD Super LCD display with 1440p resolution and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. The display looks very vibrant. Colors are bright and vivid and look very accurate without being oversaturated. Viewing angles of the display are great and sunlight legibility is also impressive. The display is appropriate for watching videos, editing images, and playing games. Third reason is its camera. It sports a 12 megapixel ultra pixel rear camera with dual tone LED flash, f1.8 aperture, and laser autofocus. It supports 4K video recording. There is also a 5 megapixel autofocus front facing camera with f1.8 aperture and 86-degree wide angle. Both front and rear cameras come with OIS to get rid of the shaky images. The HTC 10 takes very crisp and sharp images. The detailing, clarity, and color reproduction of the images taken with this phone are very impressive. Although it takes great quality images, yet there is some scope of improvement in the camera app, which we have talked about in another video, which is reasons to not buy the HTC 10. Next reason is its hardware and performance. It is powered by a 64-bit quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 820 processor paired with Adreno 530 GPU and 4 GB of RAM. The phone comes with 32 GB of internal memory which can be expanded further up to 2 TB via microSD card. On Antutu, it scored around 140,000 points. It played games such as Frontline Commander 2 and Modern Combat without any lags or dropped frames. It is a very powerful phone that handles intensive multitasking and gaming with ease. Fifth reason is its battery. It is backed up by a 3000 mAh battery that lasts for a day. It comes with USB Type-C port and supports Quick Charge 3.0 technology that delivers up to 50% charge in 30 minutes and full charge in 90 minutes. Sixth reason is that it comes with Boom Sound Hi-Fi Edition speakers with Dolby Audio. It features a separated tweeter and woofer design along with a dedicated amplifier that delivers great audio experience. Seventh reason is its software. It runs Android 6.0 Marshmallow with latest HTC Sense UI. The software is clean and smooth and feels close to stock Android. On swiping to the left of the home screen, you get Blink feed that shows news and social feed. There is an app called Boost Plus that lets the phone run smoothly by clearing cache and deleting junk files. It also allows users to lock the important apps, which means that you will have to scan your fingerprint to unlock them. You also get freestyle layouts that replace home screen icons with stickers that perform additional functions. You can try this if in case you get bored of the same app grid home screen. Next reason is that it comes with a fingerprint scanner integrated into the home button that can unlock the phone in 0.2 seconds. During our time with the phone, it unlocked the phone very quickly and accurately. HTC 10 is a powerful smartphone with a beautiful design, great camera combination, solid audio performance, and more. It has everything that you look for in a flagship smartphone. We have done a separate video on why you should not buy this phone, and links for the same are provided in the description section as well as on your screens. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. Please like, share and comment on this video and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.